It was so good. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? It's another day, it's another vlog. Actually, that is not true. It is our last day in Denver, and I'm actually really freaking bummed about that. Matt and I have so much shit we need to do today. We need to pack the entire house up, clean the house up, make sure everything is nice and tidy and put back into place with where it was. And our realtors actually asked us if we wanted to come over for a little bit later tonight. I don't know if we actually have time for it, which kind of sucks because they honestly become our friends, and it was actually really nice hanging out with them last night. As you guys know, we did put in another offer on a house. We actually don't have any news for you guys. We don't even know what we're personally doing yet. Matt and I did not have the best morning, to be quite honest. I have this massive kink in my neck, and I've been using my Theragun for at least 25 minutes today, and it's still not gone. So I just cannot physically turn my body right. So if you guys see me doing this when I'm trying to talk to someone, it's literally because my neck freaking has a kink in it. But both Matt and I could not sleep last night. Last night we watched the documentary about Free Britney Spears. Honestly, it is my new fucking motto and hashtag. I am so upset for Britney Spears. I'm upset that she is underneath a conservatorship. I'm not even sure if I'm saying that correctly. It's super fucked up. If you guys want a good documentary to watch, it is on Hulu. But with that being said, Matt and I did not go to bed until 6 a.m. I just could not sleep. I think I woke up at 11 a.m. So I'm running on 5 hours of sleep, I'm not gonna lie. And we had a really serious conversation about buying a house in Denver and making sure we're in a very good position with this house. Because with a house that has renovations, there are a lot of things up in the air, and we don't want to put ourselves in a situation where we might regret it in a couple of years. So we're just talking everything out and just dotting our I's and crossing our T's. We are very excited but very nervous, and I think it's a feeling that a lot of homeowners have. It's the biggest purchase you will ever make, so it's very normal to kind of feel this way. And also it's very normal because this is our first time buying a house together, and we are not married, and that is something a bunch of you guys have talked about. We are committed to one another, we're serious about one another, and I think it's gonna be a good decision. But with that being said, there are definitely cold feet and nerves happening, and I'm hungry, so that's not helping. I'm sleep deprived, it's not helping. But it's our last day in Denver. We're gonna make the most of it. We're gonna have to pack up this house and do so many things in the next 3 hours. We're coming full circle in Denver. I am having snarfs, which is one of the first meals I actually had in Denver, and it's gonna be one of the last meals I have in Denver. So I got an egg salad sandwich with extra onions, some hot peppers, we got tomatoes. Oh my god, I have not done my fucking daily affirmations in 5 days. Holy cow. I should definitely do it today. Some of you guys hate this part, some of you guys love this part, some of you guys are indifferent to this part. So depending on Callie can make the decision if she wants to skip this part, fast forward it, mute it. I am healthy, I am wealthy, I'm rich, I am that bitch. I'm gonna go get that bag, and I'm not gonna take your shit. I'm protected, well respected, I'm a queen, I'm a dream, I'm gonna do what I wanna do, and I'm who I wanna be. Because I'm me. All right, let's eat. Cheers, guys. Oh my god, I can't fucking move my neck. Okay. All right, I'm gonna keep eating, and I'll update you guys when we start packing up this house. I'm literally so sad. Hey guys, so I just finished my lunch. I'm gonna start doing the laundry. The checkout process is actually super easy here, but I just wanted to wash the blankets that I brought here and then some of the towels and stuff, just because I'm already gonna wash laundry, so I might as well do that. And then I have some undies and stuff to wash. But right now I'm currently in Matt's studio room that used to be a studio for a hot second. He wasn't able to work in here, unfortunately, which really sucked for him, but he was able to work in other ways, but just couldn't exactly work on music. But the point is, I tried to close off the loft upstairs for him, and we put a bunch of pillows and blankets up here. And I don't think I ever showed you guys what I did, but those are all pillows and blankets and carpet. Right now I have to get everything down because they don't belong up here. I have some blankets that I actually brought from home here that have been sitting up here for the last month. So I'm gonna take everything down. Wish me luck. I don't know how I'm gonna vlog and do this at the same time. I gotta move everything. 1 second. Hey guys, I am feeling so overwhelmed. There's so much to do. I have my suitcase. This is dedicated to just the beauty stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely overpacked like crazy. I did not use like 50% of the things that I brought with me. I brought a bunch of like camera equipment, didn't use any of it. I brought a bunch of like DIY stuff that I was supposed to make because I'm working on this massive project. Did not do that. Did not wear half the clothes that I brought. So I definitely overpacked. You guys called me out on it, and not gonna lie, you guys were all freaking correct. So I don't really know. I'm feeling overwhelmed because our friends want to like see us one last time for dinner tonight, and that's in like 2.5 hours. But Matt and I have kind of been up in the air with those plans because we literally have so much to do, or at least I feel like I have so much to do. I don't know. I don't know why I'm complaining so much right now, but this is how I feel. Bunny!
What? Oh. Stop.
Gotta pack all the alcohol.
Take a sip, you gon' trip. I'm like a cup of shroom tea in the morning. Coat your throat like hot honey.
I don't know if you guys remember, I got all these schoolyard snacks the other day. I've been loving the peanut butter ones. I originally had 12, now I have 7. I've had 5 of these. These are so good, even better with oat milk. So I'm definitely taking these home. I'm gonna take the rest of these home as well, but these are hands down my favorites. If you guys ever get to try them, these are keto cereal and they're peanut butter. I think I'm gonna try to stuff them all in like the same box. Hey guys, so it's like 8:30 p.m. Clearly, as you guys can see, we are not done packing yet. We did not see our friends. We're gonna try to get to the packing done in the next like 30 minutes and then maybe see our friends for like 45 minutes and then be back home by like 10:30, 11 p.m. because we're gonna go pack up the car tomorrow morning around like 7:15 a.m. and then leave Denver officially at 7:30 a.m. We got a lot to do. It's mainly me. Matt's pretty much packed up. I have been struggling a little bit. There are a couple things we're gonna leave at this Airbnb. Like I purchased some bath salts so that the next people who stay here can have like a soaking tub experience with the bath. Never took a bath here except once, and it was in like the small bathtub, not like the nice ass bathtub. So I'm kind of sad about that, but it's okay because I think Mia and Jerry did, and they said it was like really cold because there's like a draft. But I need to take down this closet system because I did not think for some reason they were gonna have one here. Turns out they have like 17 here. So this was a bad choice to bring with me. Like this is another example of me bringing something to Denver that I had zero use for and did not use. So I'm kind of bummed. Oh man. So a little update here. It's currently 11:40 p.m. It's so late now. Matt and I are gonna try to wake up at like 7 a.m. but I changed and we were gonna go see our friends, and then I decided that I was really tired. I don't even know why we would see our friends at this time, but I changed like 2 hours ago thinking we would see our friends. It didn't happen, but I wanted to show you guys everything that we got done. I'm like literally so dead. Like my kink in my neck is still in my neck right now, but the only thing we really have left is we gotta move this table back to the spot it belongs in, but we figured we're gonna do that tomorrow morning. We pretty much packed all this stuff. All this stuff is going with us in the car. I literally do not have any understanding of why all these, like all this stuff fit in our car. There's so much stuff that we need to fit in. I'm also packed right here, even though it doesn't look like it, but it's all stuff that I'm gonna wear tomorrow morning, or I'm gonna just stuff in. But I have a couple of things in the bathroom as well. I just have all my skincare stuff over here as well. So that's kind of all I need to like finish doing for tomorrow morning. Today has been such a long day. Both Matt and I are so sleep deprived. I drank a can as well earlier, so I'm definitely a little loopy, but I do want to do our question of the day. It's gonna be the last question of the day while in Denver. This makes me really sad, so I'm gonna try to find a good one for you guys. Okay. Today's question of the day comes from Cherry, and her question is, what was your favorite cartoon/movie when growing up as a kid? I'm not gonna lie, I was not actually allowed to watch TV until I probably was in 3rd grade, but my favorite TV shows were probably Recess. Like, I do remember coming home in elementary school after like 3rd, 4th grade. I would watch Sabrina the Teenage Witch and Recess. Those were like my favorite, but also a big fan of like Disney Channel, like Lizzie McGuire, Even Stevens, all those fucking old school Disney shows. But also big fan of Powerpuff Girls, Dexter's Laboratory. Is it Dexter's Laboratory? But he calls it a laboratory, right?
I think you could say it either way.
No, I think you're right. Like, the actual show is that, but Dexter himself calls it a laboratory because he tries to be fancy. Either way, so many good shows, but comment down below what your favorite TV show is as a kid, and also if you guys want to be a part of the next question of the day, make sure to leave me some questions down below. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another daily vlog. Hopefully, we'll see, guys. It's been a fucking bomb time in Denver. I'm actually so bummed it's our last day, but at the same time, you guys have no idea, I'm so excited to see Zoe. I just want a dog to like cuddle and pet and like play around with and just like play tug of war. I don't know, I just miss dogs right now really bad, and I'm so excited to see little Shark and little Zoe. I'm sorry if this vlog was all over the place. Both of us have just been really bummed that it's our last night in Denver. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.